Have you ever wondered what it means to be a Muslim? Is it just about how someone dresses or how they pray? Or is it something more profound that goes beyond one's appearance, something that is meant to cleanse your heart? The word Muslim in Arabic comes from the root word, salama, which means to be in a state of peace, safe from any harm. It also means to submit yourself or surrender. Allah tells us in Surah 26, Ash-Sha'ra, the only thing that matters on the day we are resurrected is the state of our heart. يَوْمَ لَا يَنْفَعُ مَالٌ وَلَا بَنُونَ إِلَّا مَنْ أَتَى اللَّهَ بِقَلْبٍ سَلِيمٍ. The day when neither wealth nor children will be of any benefit. Only those who come before Allah with a pure heart will be saved. Allah uses the word salim to describe the condition our heart should be in, which means a heart protected from any evil, a heart that is sound in its belief in Allah, a pure heart uncorrupted by greed, arrogance, and heedlessness. So what does it mean to be a Muslim? The word Muslim literally means one who submits to Allah, the one and only God. So at its core, being a Muslim means surrendering oneself to God's will and finding peace in that surrender. Imagine letting go of your worries by fully trusting someone, like a child trusts their loving parent. Similarly, a Muslim trusts and loves Allah, choosing to follow His guidance. This submission isn't about losing your freedom, it's about liberating yourself from all worldly matters and aligning yourself with a higher purpose. Think of it this way. If life is a journey, then divine guidance is like a map that shows the way. When we submit to Allah, we're accepting the guidance He provides. Just as using a map makes travel smoother, following God's guidance brings clarity and direction. The Quran, Islam's holy book, tells us, "Surely in the remembrance of Allah do hearts find comfort." In other words, when a person remembers Allah and lives for Him, their heart feels at ease. Muslims often experience this peace during Salah, which is a form of prayer. When bowing to the ground in worship, they feel a deep sense of peace and closeness to their Creator. So what is our purpose and identity as Muslims? The Quran teaches us that Allah created humans only to worship Him, so our lives have a God-given purpose. Importantly, worship in Islam isn't just rituals and prayer, but it includes living a life of goodness by being honest, kind, and helping others for the sake of Allah. This purpose gives a Muslim direction in life and hope for a better future. Along with purpose comes identity. Being Muslim means joining a family of believers all around the world. Muslims come from every culture and background and are united by faith in one God. The Quran says Allah made us into nations and tribes so that you may know one another, and that the best among us are those who are most righteous. In Islam, no one is superior due to race or nationality. Only piety matters. Anyone can embrace Islam and be part of this global community. When Muslims greet each other with Assalamu alaikum, meaning peace be upon you, they are sincerely wishing peace for one another. In summary, being a Muslim means trusting and devoting oneself to Allah, finding peace through His remembrance, living with purpose, and being part of a community that strives to make this world a better place. It's a journey that will transform one's heart and mind. In the next episode, we will look at the 3 dimensions of Islam and the story of a mysterious man who came to ask Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, some direct questions while he was sitting with his companions.